Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix VALORANT is please close other Riot Game products before signing out issue, which is happening for many of the users when they're trying to play VALORANT, and how we can fix this up. So this is very simple as it is. I'm not wasting my time. Let me directly get into this. First step, uninstall both VALORANT and Riot Client. Do a restart, then reinstall it back. Then launch the game. That will be fixing. So first thing, just go over here in the search, go to settings, go to apps over here in the left, click on apps and features. Now search for VALORANT. Now from here just click over here, go for uninstall, and after uninstalling VALORANT, uninstall Riot Client also. Go over here, select this one, uninstall. After uninstalling both Riot Client and VALORANT, close everything, restart your PC, then reinstall it back, then launch the game, and that is working. Most probably that will be working. And if it's not working, then we just have to move to second step. Second step is using Riot Client. You have to do this. So try to open Riot Client. If it is not the case, you have to open it, the Riot Client, from the file explorer itself. For that, just go over here, go to this PC, local disk C. Now from here, go to Riot Games, go to Riot Client, go to UX. From here, launch the game, Riot Client UX. Once you launch the game, if the VALORANT is being also running in the background, first close VALORANT to confirm the Riot Client. So if when you're opening the Riot Client UX, if VALORANT is running, close the VALORANT, then open Riot Client UX. Once you're done with this, sign out from Riot Client, and most probably after signing out from Riot Client, the issue will be completely fixed. And then once after that, sign in back and try to launch the game. Most probably the issue will be completely fixed, and this is what you have to do simple and easiest way. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comment section if it's worked for you or not. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.